What's up, everybody? This is your boy Eric from Easy Computer Solutions, and I got the Sharper Image drone here. I've been having it for a while, and I want to give you my review on this drone here. And I tell you what, there's some good things and some bad things about this drone. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric again with another video. So I got the Sharper Image GPS video drone here, and I've been having it for a while, been flying it off and on, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts about this drone, what I think about it. One of the things I do want to say about this drone is it is beautiful. It has a very sleek design. It has a nice little texture color here. It does have a camera, 720p camera. And it is a beautiful looking design drone. So let me answer some of the questions a lot of people left in my last video. Some people that purchased this drone have a hard time getting this drone in the air. Some people asked about the camera. And let me answer some of these questions here. This drone have to have pretty good GPS signal in order for it to start. So that's one thing that you really have to understand, that flying this drone, if it doesn't have a good GPS signal, it would not start. Second thing is that the camera here, I talked about it on my unboxing video, that you can take this camera out of this box and put like a GoPro in here. The camera quality that comes out of the box is not that great. And I did some still footage, also some video footage, and it's very jittery. There's no optical image stabilization. It's a no-go when it comes down to the quality of the camera on here. So I would always recommend anybody that purchased the Sharper Image to go get a high quality camera and swap it out for something else, because the camera that's on here is a no-go. Another thing that you have to be aware of, and this is the most critical thing into thinking if you're gonna buy this, right? Battery life. Now, I have 3 batteries for this thing. Once you start flying this, you're not gonna get no more than 20-25 minutes of flight time. That's it. It takes about 2.5-3 hours to charge. So just kind of keep that in mind. The battery life on here is subpar to poor, and I have 3 batteries, so I can get at least an hour, hour and a half of flight time if I want to. So let me go it on and get it started up, and let's fly the drone, and hey, let's have some fun. All right, guys, so when I turn on the drone, the first thing I do is I go on the phone and I go to Wi-Fi, and I make sure that I connect to Wi-Fi with the drone. Also, when I turn on the control, I want to make sure that I'm paired with the drone here. All right, so that's a good thing. All right, and then before I start flying, I turn on the app, which in my unboxing video, I show about the app and everything. So check that out about the app. So download the app. So right now I'm connected with the app, and I'm connected with the joystick. All right. So one of the things that a lot of people always ask is about how do you get this thing started? Now, I showed this in my unboxing video, and I'm gonna show you guys now. Basically what I do is first of all, the thing has to be connected to GPS. So sometimes it takes a little while, but I just kind of go around here and it usually starts. All right, so I got the drone started, all right? And so you have to wait till all 4 propellers start, and so we're good to go. All right. Right now, my battery life is about 80%, okay? And yeah, so let's go ahead and fly her up. Now I want y'all guys to see this. It's not too hard to fly, by the way, all right? Again, I had to learn, and it is a learning curve, all right? And especially since this is my first drone, I don't have any problems kind of having fun with it. And as you can see, it's not a windy day, so it's not going to just fly all over the place. So just kind of be aware of that. And looking at the viewfinder on the screen, it looks pretty good. And you do have some hovering modes and everything, so it works out pretty good. But as you can see, it's good to go. So let's go on and do some flying. All right. There it is. And once you get the hang of it, you could fly pretty good. And I don't have any problems with it. I know one of the biggest issues is that usually when you're flying a drone, you always pick up a crowd. And that's one of the things that I try to get to the park real early as far as that. So I'm out in the park very early. I'm pretty much by myself, which is a good thing. And as you can see, and it flies pretty good. And the app, as you can see, I can see, and I can hit here to the video. Also, let me see if I can get it a little closer here. Let me turn around so I can get me a little photo here. All right, so there it is. That's me right there. As you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, but I'm gonna just go over and hit me a photo right here. Boom. All right, so I just took a photo, and it's gonna go into your gallery. And what I like about the app, if I want to land real quick, I can just press one button and the drone will land by itself. And that's what I like. That's what I like. So if you notice, it's going down very slowly, very slowly, very slowly, boom. All right, and it's gonna cut off and boom. So that's one of the good things that I like about flying this drone is that you do have options. You do have ways where you can control this drone, which is a good thing. Once you get everything hooked up, it's a learning curve. Especially if this is your first drone, and this is my first drone. A lot of people that might watch this video say, well, Easy, I've been flying drones for a long time. You don't know what you're doing. It takes listen, this is my first drone, and I've been having fun with it so far. I wish that I could get longer flight time per battery, but it is what it is. That's why I have multiple batteries. Overall, I enjoy it. It's a pretty good drone. I wish that the GPS would connect a little faster. That's one of the biggest questions that a lot of people ask me, is that they bought this drone, but they can't get it in the air. It's all about the GPS connection when you have this drone. If you don't have good GPS connection, this drone will not start up. So that's something to consider. Now, you don't need the controller. You can always just use your phone. And some people might think that the phone is a lot easier than the controller. So I don't know, to each his own. I like to use both, but it is what it is. So this is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. This is my thoughts, the good, the bad, about the Sharper Image GPS drone. I'm about to go fly, have some fun. See you guys on the next video. Peace.